welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a hair install slash makeup get ready. Not really talking to get ready with me, so I really wouldn't consider this a get ready with me, but I am doing a what do you call it, I don't know, watch me do my makeup, watch me slay this look. This hair that I am wearing is from Divatress.com. I will have all the hair products and details listed down below. This is a Swiss lace wig. It is 100% premium fiber. So here's just some of the hair details right here. It shows you like a picture of the girl, that is the model, I mean not just the girl, the model that is wearing the hair. So the name of this wig is Darlene, and I am wearing the color 2T/copper. This is from the What Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig Collection. So here's what the packaging looks like. Again, this is a synthetic wig, and this is light brown Swiss lace, and there is 6-inch parting space. You can also use heat on this hair, and the texture for this hair is a wavy pattern or wavy texture. So this is what the lace looks like. You probably can't tell on camera, but the knots are pretty dark. But you know, with synthetic hair, you can't really bleach the knots because then you'll have to wash the hair, which also messes up the hair. So I am here just plucking away a few hairs. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline, but I wanted to just take away just a little bit more of the hair. I didn't pluck literally not even a handful of hair. So that's what you see me doing right here. Now I'm just turning the wig inside out, and I'm going to go ahead and spray this lace tint on my wig. This lace tint I got from the beauty supply store. I will have it listed down below. I'm not sure the name of it right now, but I am just spraying on like a very, very thin layer. I didn't want to overdo it, and I also made sure to spray at a distance, and this is what it looks like. Now I am just making sure the wig is sized to my head the way that I want it to fit, and I'm just pretty much lining up the wig to where I'm going to cut the lace to fit my hairline. So for my lace glue today, I am using Araceli Bay Gummy Glue and Extra Gummy. I'm just applying a few dots to my hairline, and then I'm going to blend it out with a popsicle stick. And for this same layer, I'm also applying some of the glue onto my cap and just blending it backwards just to make sure my lace is extra laid. So that's what you see me doing right here. I'm just applying it to my cap. Once that layer is clear, you're going to go ahead and apply your second layer. I believe I only did 2 layers when installing this, because I really didn't plan on wearing this wig that long. I usually don't wear my wigs longer than a couple days, so I think I did about 2 layers. And then that's just completes the first section, and now you see me pulling my wig forward, just lining up with where I placed the glue, and I am pressing it down with a comb. I used to use my finger, but I found that was like really, really messy, and I've learned my mistakes from that, so I'm using a comb, and then I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the sides of my hairline, just applying the glue, blending it out, just making sure it's fully blended before I lay the lace down to make sure I don't get any white residue. To lay my edges, I am using the foam wrap first, just to kind of prep my edges or kind of place them where I want them first before I add any gel. So that's what you see me doing here with this brush I ordered off Amazon. And I'm just pretty much playing around with my baby hairs. When you use the foam wrap first, it makes it so much easier to where you don't use a lot of gel. So that's what you see me doing right here. And then I'm gonna go in. I did not show it on screen, but I am using the Got2b glue gel. It is in the black label. I'm sorry, I do not have the exact name of that. Using my hot comb, I'm just making sure that my part is as flat as possible. I didn't want my hair to be like super boofy because I really wanted like a flawless look. So now you just see me doing that. This unit did get a little fuzzy just for me moving around and like fixing my lace and everything like that. So I'm just using a regular brush and just brushing the hair to like kind of unify everything back together and kind of bring that curl pattern back together. And kind of like finger detangling. I really don't like using combs because that pretty much just messes up the hair texture. So that's what you see me doing. And this hair, look at the comparison, the side from the other side. Like it just looks so bomb. Like come on now, come through. So now I'm using more Got2b glue gel and I'm just applying that on the front of my hair and brushing it down just to give it more a sleek, flawless look. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure you leave some comments down below. Hair details, like I said, will be listed down below where you can purchase this hair. I also have all the makeup products that I use listed down below. If you aren't subscribed already, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you have the notifications turned on so you do not miss any uploads from me. And I will see y'all in my next video. But before y'all click off this video, make sure you are following me on social media. My Instagram and everything will be listed down below. Everything is pretty much the same. Keyera Kaye. That's Kiera K on pretty much all my social media platforms. I just got back on Snapchat. I haven't posted anything on the new Snapchat yet because nobody's on there yet. So just go ahead and add me on there and maybe I'll start posting on there. Other than that, I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.